Okay, so now that we have this part, it's created, we want to show dimensional information. So you go to File, Make Drawing from Part, click on that, and it'll take it a moment. Then you give your which size of a sheet you want. We'll just go with ANSI A. That's your regular 8.5 by 11. And you just hit OK. Alright, so there's a whole bunch of views that appear here. So I like to show isometric. That's the first one that I'll show. And then we want another view. So say model view, and click on the model, and we'll come over here and set the next one down, and that'll give us a side view. You could change it over here on the left side and do other views however you'd please. There's the isometric again, but we're just going to do a front view. And then just get out of that, check mark. And so now you've got, an isometric view and a front view, and this is the drawing interface here. So you want to go to Annotation, Smart Dimension, and you're just gonna click, release, click. Actually, you don't need that dimension. You need this angle. Oh, why did it do that? Click on the line, click on that line, there's the angle. You need this height, like so. You need this height, like so. You need from this point to that line, and you need from this line to that line. So those are all just, they're not editable dimensions because this is a drawing. If you want to edit the dimensions, you have to go back into the part modeling itself, which is, how do I show that? That would be right here. So this is the part itself. You can, come over here, and if you just select the sketch, for example, you could modify in real time. If you have something, what is this? If you have all these dimensions and you want to change something in real time, you'd click on one of these and change it. So that's an option in the model. But going back to the drawing, here's our drawing again. We have a few more dimensions we need to show. We've got this circle, which is 0.75. Actually, what we're going to do is bring it on that side because we need to show this dimension. It's going to be kind of tricky because that one might get in the way. See, it's going to want to do that, but you can put it out here. So that's those dimensions, and then there's the one left over here for this angle. The problem here is it's a little trickier to do it in drawing. So, there's an angle, there's the outside angle. You still want this lower outside right here. So you have to find that imaginary line and just drag it around, and there you have it. And there's our dimensional information for the part, but we still need to show like the width and whatnot. So you dimension, there's the width of your part. You need to show the thickness of the walls, so there's 0.25 there. And if you show this one, see how it says 0.29? That's actually not correct because it's taking the dimension as if it's on an angle. So with the angle, it makes it seem like it's a little bit longer than it really is. what you would want here is if we go to the drawing view and for the front drawing here, and we go down to display style, there's a hidden lines visible button. You click on that and get back out. And that shows where your cut lines are supposed to be. And so here you can smart dimension and show the inside with the outside, and see now it shows a correct dimension of 0.25. And that's it. That's all there is to your drawing. You need to make sure that you've saved that. Save it in the folder. And when you print it, you can print to PDF, and it'll show nice, pretty drawing. It won't be this color anymore. It'll be black and white. And with all the, if you've populated this table down here, it'll have all the information that you need to have. And that's all there is. So hope this helped, and let me know if you have any questions.